This is forever.
Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lafayette County in Big Bend, Florida, Taylor County in Big Bend, Florida, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
So this one off.
At 5:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight
This one
Time,
off.
a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Cross City, moving
This one.
northwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gust.
Listen.
Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted
Single.
include Mayo, Perry, Steenhatchee, Finland, Seville, Jug Island, Clarence, Buckville, Daco Beach, Jack Lee Island, Foley, Salem, Perry Foley Airport, San Pedro Junction, Hampton Springs, Cedar Island, Fish Creek, Cooks Hammock, Howell Place, and Seckerton. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Tallahassee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Taylor, Florida. These are the 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time conditions.
Yay.